is one of the coolest laptops we have ever received. This is the MSI Crosshair 15 Rainbow 6 Extraction Edition, and obviously there are some special things about it. So first, it came in this special bundle box where you get the R6 Extraction themed mouse and mousepad, the laptop with the same design theme, and you also get a copy of the game. All of this is just super cool because everything here has been designed keeping in mind Rainbow Six Extraction's theme. The box has the same theme, and I like that it features this whole map design from the game. The Extraction themed mouse is super cool. It has the same yellow-green theme, the logo of the React organization from the game, lights on the bottom as well as on the scroll wheel. There are these custom buttons on the side as well, and there are these buttons to change the color of the lights and switch to high DPI settings. Now, complementing this mouse is this R6 Extraction themed mousepad, which is smooth enough. Now let's check out the laptop, which honestly is something you'll really like if you're a fan of R6 Extraction or even Siege. The lid has this crest in the middle with the React logo, which even lights up like this. There are these cuts inspired by the lab door gate in the game. You can also see some yellow here behind the lid, and that's because the top of the inner body has this yellow and green gradient which spreads to the keyboard. I also like that the keyboard has a custom color profile, which by the way is not customizable, but I like that the keys have different backlit colors in line with the game's overall gradient of blue, yellow and green. You must have also noticed the WSAD keys, which have this translucent yellow design. The trackpad also has these texts, and there's this React logo and crest in the corner. I also like the bottom of the laptop, which has this hive design and the vents are big, and there's high ground clearance which makes sure that there is ample ventilation. See, all of this is super cool, and I know this yellow might be a little too much for some people, but I think it makes sense in a special edition laptop. Apart from this look and theme, this is a gaming laptop, so it is kind of big and hefty at 2.47 kgs. That is fine, but I noticed a little bit of this. See the flex in the display? I also noticed a little bit of flex in the keyboard. Other than that, the overall build seems good, and one thing I do like is that the hinge is solid and you can lift up the lid with one hand. Anyway, let's talk about the specs now. First, these are the display specs: a 165Hz high-resolution QHD panel, which I think makes sense here considering this is a proper gaming laptop. I mean, the fast refresh rate does make FPS games a lot more responsive and fun. As for the display quality, the color accuracy is pretty good with 100% DCI-P3 coverage. The display is also sharp, and I like the blacks too. The brightness is kind of okayish. It's not the brightest display, but I like that it's a matte display, so it's not very reflective or anything. When it comes to chipset, MSI already has a complete 12th gen lineup in India, and this is no different. The MSI Crosshair Extraction Edition is powered by the 12th gen Core i7 processor with 14 cores, including 6 high-performance cores, 8 efficiency cores, and 20 threads. When it comes to GPU, there's RTX 3070, and I like that it can go to 140 watts, which means MSI hasn't compromised the GPU's performance. Then there's 16GB DDR4 RAM, which is a bit strange because with the 12th gen CPU, I was kind of expecting faster DDR5 RAM here. Anyway, there's 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and both the RAM and storage are upgradable. Now, we did run some benchmarks on this laptop and it consistently performed well, so I think MSI has optimized the performance pretty well. I mean, the laptop performs really well in day-to-day usage and multitasking, and it handles games pretty well. We obviously played Rainbow Six Extraction because that comes bundled with the laptop, and well, the game performance was good. At 2K resolution and ultra graphics, the max FPS was around 70 and the average FPS was around 64. In 1080p resolution, the max FPS reached 105 and the average was around 84. We also played some Far Cry 6, and at 2K Ultra, the average FPS was around 63, and at 1080p resolution, the max FPS was 94 with an average of 78. Overall, the game performance of this laptop is solid. In all the AAA titles that we played on this laptop, the CPU and the GPU performance was really good. As for the thermals, there are 2 fans with 6 heat pipes, and the laptop has the MSI Cooler Booster 5 tech. Now, in our tests, we found the thermal performance impressive with the fans hitting as high as 5900 RPM. Yes, the fans can get quite loud, but I'm okay with that because we did not notice any throttling or weird overheating in this laptop. Performance apart, the rest of the basics of this laptop are on point. The keyboard is a full-sized one with 1.7mm key travel. The trackpad isn't the largest, but it's responsive. When it comes to the audio, there are 2 speakers on the bottom which are decent in terms of quality, but other than that, nothing special. The webcam is a usual 720p camera, and as for the ports, on the right there's LAN, HDMI, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and the headphone mic combo. On the left, there are 2 USB-A ports. The battery is a 90 watt battery, and you get this 240 watt adapter in the box. Coming to the pricing, MSI is on the usual Crosshair 15 with RTX 3060 at Rs 1,56,990, and the Crosshair 15 Rainbow Six Extraction Edition we have has been launched at Rs 1,90,990. So yeah, the price is on the higher side, but this is a special edition laptop and I like it because unlike a lot of other special edition laptops, MSI went all out here with the whole R6 extraction theme and created a laptop that's definitely gonna grab eyeballs. I mean, the whole bundle with the box and the accessories is a great touch. The design with the Rainbow Six extraction theme is very, very cool. So yeah, if you are a Rainbow Six fan, you should check out this laptop and share this with other Rainbow Six gamers. This will be available online as well as brand stores, so make sure to check it out. Also, you saw the intro, it deserves a like, hit like right now. Also, comment below about which special edition laptop do you want MSI to make next. Comment down below and yeah, give this video a like, I already said that. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. We deserve it. Thanks for watching.
Each one of these have a spy cam in them. Yeah, all of these. I will show you the smallest and the most dangerous one.